again, you are welcome to the Tithe and Offering Bible Church. If you know today is your first time of worshiping with us, kindly stand up for recognition. Where are our ushers? Please attend to our new member. Young man, after the service, you will give us your account number so the church will transfer 50,000 naira to your account for you to add to your business.
50,000! Thank you!
Yeah. That's how we are going to be doing it every Sunday from today.
Children of God, shout hallelujah! Hallelujah! Yes, as usual, it's time to welcome our new members.
You're welcome, you're welcome. If you know today is your first time of worshiping with us, kindly stand up for recognition.
What? Phone card? Phone card? Phone card? I didn't mean by me. What? What, Pastor? What? Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about this. This is what you want to use your life for now.